Today I'm going to demonstrate how to do a leg extension. Now this is a great isolated exercise that activates the quads, okay? Now when performing this exercise, it's pretty simple. Pretty much a lot of machines are going to look just like this one, but this is a leg extension machine, all right? Now when performing this exercise, go ahead, select the weight of your desire, and then when it comes to the actual setup, all right, there's a knot right here. On most or pretty much all the ones I've seen, you'll see a knot right here onto the side of the machine, okay? There's a small knot right here. So when it comes to that knot, you want the knot to be aligned to your knees, all right? Because if it's a little bit too forward, then you're going to put a lot of pressure onto the knees, and you don't want that to happen. You want all the activation going on into the quads. All right, so make sure the knot of this machine is aligned to the knees, okay? And then when it comes to the seat in the back, go ahead and bring that up where you're kind of seated more appropriate, all right? Because you don't want to seat too further back, because when it's too far back, then you're more of doing a leverage and you're going to start lifting up your stomach. You want everything isolated so it's only the quads activating, all right? So with that said, I'm going to go ahead and perform the exercise. Now when performing the exercise, make sure you're holding on to the handle, and then at the same time, roll the shoulders back, keeping a straight chest, all right? And then also squeeze onto the abs, all right? Because if you're too relaxed and you're just going like this, you know, you're getting a lot of momentum, you're moving a lot of different parts of your body, and like I said, you want to really isolate yourself when doing this exercise so it's only the quads being activated and you're not doing any type of movements to cheat, okay? So like I said, roll the shoulders back, keep chest up, abs nice, ab or core real tight. Go ahead and lift up, all right? Now you don't have to lift all the way up, don't do this, you know, don't do that. Don't push the weight so much that it's flying off your foot, all right? Because if that's the case, you're not doing the exercise effective. You're not getting an effective movement, okay? You want to go nice and slow when doing this exercise. Go as high as you can, and then back down, okay? This is how you do a leg extension.